welcome back to the channel. Today I am really excited. I finally was able to get my hands on this collection. When I seen Tati do a video on this, I was like,
girl, I have to have that.
So today's video is gonna be on the PUR X Barbie collection. So excited to be playing around with this. So let's just dive into this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, subscribe, hit that bell because you don't want to be missing out on my videos. So first off, the packaging on this is just stunning. It screams Barbie through and through. That's what I love about this collection. It's like over the top beautiful. So when you open up the palette, this is the eyeshadow palette. Here's what it looks like in the inside. It is just so beautiful. I love that it comes with a really big mirror. Very excited about that. These shimmer shades in here look stunning. So excited for that. Then also in the collection, there is a little face duo. It's like a highlighter palette. And it is stunning as well. It comes with like the same type of packaging as the eyeshadow palette, and here's what the highlighter looks like. It looks so beautiful, and I love that there's like 3 kinds of highlights. There's like more for a darker skin tone, there's your standard like champagne kind of pinky color, and then like a kind of a bluish pink color up here in the top. Really excited for that. And then also in the collection, they released like 4 kinds of lipsticks and a lip gloss. I got 2 of the lipsticks and the lip gloss. I got classic and timeless, and then the girl gloss lip gloss. The packaging on these lip glosses is stunning as well. Here's what the outside of the bullet looks like, and then you just hit the top and they come out the bottom. So beautiful. The lipsticks, I don't even want to swatch them because they're just coated in glitter. They're just stunning. They look like they need to be like placed on a shelf to look at for the rest of your life. And here's what the other one looks like. It looks just the same. So beautiful. So guys, let's just get into playing around with this eyeshadow palette. I think I do want to go ahead and do some swatches for you guys. So none of these shades are named, so we're just gonna have to start with the top one and go from there. Okay, so here are all of the shadows swatched. There were a couple of shadows that were majorly disappointing. First off, the pressed loose glitter shade, which is this one right here. I was really looking forward to that one, but he did not transfer very good when I swatched him at all. Nothing lives up to the Pixie by Petra little quad glitters. These are amazing. Every bit of glitter comes off of your finger and applies to your eye. They're amazing. This was a major letdown, this glitter shade. And then the only other one that was kind of didn't swatch the best was this pink one, which was this one and the palette. Everybody else swatched really good. So let's just go ahead and see what kind of eye look I can come up with. Alrighty, so I think I'm gonna do like a full-on like pink look today. I think I am going to go in with this light pink kind of shimmer shade. Yes, I am going to use that kind of above my crease, just because I want there to be some sort of like transition shade between like my crease and the hot pink shade I want to use. And this is the only like light pink shade in the palette. It's actually really pretty. Okay, then I'm going to go into the hot pink shade. I really wish these were named. Like, I could see the hot pink one just being called like Barbie Girl, or, you know. And then the blue one beside it could be named Ken, of course. I'm glad they put like a blue in here, because I'm sure that resembles Ken. So I'm just blending this all into the crease. And then taking it on out into the outer corner here, and then just kind of pulling it on out. This pink shade does have a lot of fallout, so I'm warning you guys. If you bought this palette, it does have a good amount of fallout. Also, this palette is limited edition, so if you're thinking about it, not sure if you want to get it, I highly recommend deciding whether or not you want it or not as soon as possible, because it's not going to be available for much time. So I went into Ulta to get it and I could not get it. They won't be getting it back into stores, so I had to order it online, which was fine, not a big deal. I'm gonna go in with the glitter shade. Even though it didn't swatch very good, I do want to try to apply it onto my eyelid because it's so pretty. And I love like pressed glitter shades. I'm just wondering how this is gonna wear throughout the day, because I'm not using any glitter glue. I'm just going straight in. Okay, and then I'm going to take a brush, and then I'm going to take that same hot pink shade right here that I used in my crease, and I'm just going to pull that down on my lower lash line. So that is going to be the final eye look. I do want to go in with the highlighter palette and kind of play around with that. I am going to swatch these real quick for you guys. So here is the top little corner shade. This is the middle shade, and then that is the far bottom shade. They are really pretty. I think I'm gonna like the top one and the middle one the best. And then that bottom shade, I'm not sure. Not sure about that one. I might use it as, I don't think I could even use that as a bronzer. It's like super shimmery. But I'm just gonna go in with my Wet n Wild little highlighter brush here, and I'm gonna kind of mix these. Oh, hello. I'm gonna kind of mix these two up here. Yeah, that is super pretty. And guys, sorry, please don't mind this like patch of dryness that I got going on underneath my eye. I don't even know what's going on. This girl's got some dry skin on her face. It's not normal. I don't ever have dry skin. Anyways, it looks really pretty. Really think I like that a lot. Then I'm going to go, I really don't want to mess these up, but I'm going to, just for you guys. I'm gonna go in with the more nude shade. I think it's this one, the Timeless shade. So here is what this lipstick looks like on. This is in the shade called Timeless. This is a super pretty shade. I am going to be loving this. And then the Girl Gloss lip gloss. Here's what the packaging on it looks like. It is super pretty. I'm not gonna apply any, but it's gonna be just like a super clear gloss. So I want this matte lip to kind of dry. Both these lipsticks are matte lipsticks, so really glad about that. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This collection is super, super cute. I love everything. The lipsticks are wonderful. The palette, the highlighter, so cute, so good. They're all good. The eyeshadows blended super good. Highly recommend it to you guys. So that's my thoughts on everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell before you leave. And y'all, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.